Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to the 1401st edition, 1401, baby. The 1401st edition to short-term trading live with Oscar's library of videos. Traders, good evening. I'm going to try to be very quick here. I want to show you two charts. We know that futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders. Always put your stops in first. Never trade unless you've got risk capital to lose, literally. Let's move forward. Traders, you are looking at the Dow Jones Transportation Average Daily Bar. We have deemed this the leader of U.S. indices. If I could take the credit for that, boy, would that be a great thing. But Charles Dow is who named the transportation average the leader of U.S. indices. Basically, the market's named after Charles Dow, right? The leader. So if the market is named after that man, if he says it's the leader, I'm not going to argue. Mr. Dow says this is our leader. Let's see why. As you know, I have illustrated in the last few videos, I am absolutely concerned with the integrity of our market. And I think it could actually possibly be getting to an area that we may have to call topping out. That's for long-term trading. This particular video is for day trading. It is for trading on Friday, November 20th, 2015. As far as trading on Friday is concerned, not worried about the long-term picture. We are going to buy dips in the NASDAQ and possibly the emini S&P. Buying dips on Friday in U.S. indices. What you're looking at here is the transportation average. You'll note that in most cases for a very long time, in fact, if we go back, you'll see this happens for a long time back here. The market completely respects the OTAPMA, or the OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. It hits it and dumps. Hits it again here and dumps. Hits it again here, illustrated by the failure with the red arrows, and really dumps. We get back up to it. It hits it, dumps. Hits it again, show you the failure with the arrows, boom, big drop. Hits it again and dumps. Gets back up there, and look what's happening lately. It hits it, gets back above, hits it, gets back above, hits it, gets underneath. Now we've got the arrows green and pointing up because within the last 2 days, we've jumped back above the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary and are now moving higher, and we've got a green Omni. So this chart tells you why for day trading, and let me write that down, for day trading, oh my goodness, for day trading here, let me put this in something you can read. We've got a green Omni, and let me show you. So, and of course it shows up red, which is kind of interesting, right? But I'll make that green for us. So we've got a green Omni for day trading on Friday to start off our trading in the emini S&P. So, well, I should say NASDAQ. We're going to start there in the NASDAQ, to be honest with you. And then maybe we'll work our way into the emini S&P. But some of the reasoning is, look at this bull flag right here. Is it real? Well, it's been hanging around for a while. So if you darken in these lines, it looks to me like you might be able to call this a bull flag. For day trading purposes, now we're not talking about the big broad market. For day trading purposes, this may very well be a bull flag, and you've got room to at least hit the top of it, if not go further. So for day trading, green Omni. Longer term, you've seen the videos. We'll talk about that in longer term videos. This one is geared for tomorrow. And for tomorrow, we are buying the dips in the emini S&P or NASDAQ, mostly NASDAQ. Let's look at another chart I think you will find interesting. This is the gold, traders. Remember this double bottom? We had the bottom here, smashed down on the daily bar chart in gold. Rallied up, rallied up, rallied up, came down, had another smash down, hit the double bottom, and bounced a little bit. Then we took out the stops, but look what's happened lately. Back above and looking kind of strong, at least for day trading. So we will be buying dips on Friday in the gold, which is opposite of what we've done for the last 10 days. In the past 10 days, we've done nothing but sell gold, and it sure has paid. Omni, as of Thursday night into Friday, will be buying dips in the gold, looking for a little relief rally here. So double bottom, we sold when it got to it. We sold when it bounced up from it. It got to it, bounced up from it. We sold, it broke down. We were short, short, short. Now we think you may get a couple of up days, including the one that we seen on on Thursday. So let's see if Friday wants to give us another up day. So that's the gold analysis. The Omni turned up. We did fall out of this channel. We were riding very nicely in this downward channel, but we're building some ground here above the double bottom. So maybe we'll get a day trade play out of getting long. All right, traders, I wanted to show you that because I've got a lot of other stuff planned and likely a video this evening. But because we reversed direction in gold, I wanted to show this to you nice and early. Hopefully, I'll get another video out late tonight. All right, traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come join me in my live chat room where I can help you understand these markets and learn technical analysis. Always remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do with keeping your emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stop. Are in. You go, Greg. Emotions are out. Traders, rock and roll. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.